Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by turning on the System History feature so missed alerts are captured. Open Settings and navigate to Notifications or Apps and Notifications, then locate Notification History and flip it on. If your phone lacks that toggle, create a notification log shortcut or add a widget. This exposes past alerts. Make sure to grant notification access and accessibility permission when asked, because Android blocks logs otherwise. Once done, you'll start collecting notifications going forward, not retroactively. Now inspect what's stored. Open Notification History from Quick Settings or via Settings Notifications Notification History. You'll see recent items grouped by app and time. Tap any notification to view content and action buttons. Use the filter or search to find a specific alert and clear irrelevant items to reduce clutter. If you need longer retention or export, install a reputable notification logging app and grant the same permissions. That gives advanced filters, backups, and CSV export for later review. Finish by confirming system and app permissions are intact. Ensure battery optimization isn't restricting the logger, because aggressive power settings stop history updates. If new notifications stop appearing in the log, restart the phone first, then reinstall or update the logging app and regrant permissions. One key troubleshooting tip: notification history is forward-looking. If you need earlier alerts, check app-specific archives or restore from a backup. Make sure to periodically export logs if you require long-term retention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.